Chanel. Okay. New game. Normal, hard, nightmare, insane.
Pili ko normal para matapos natin. Outlast contains intense violence, gore, graphic sexual content, and strong language. Please enjoy. You are miles up short.
An investigative reporter whose ambition is about to earn him an intimate tour of hell on Earth. Always willing to risk digging into the stories no other journalists would dare investigate. He will seek out the dark secret of the Heart Mount Massive Asylum. Stay alive as long as you can, record everything, you're not a fighter. To navigate the horrors of Mount.
Your only choices are to run, hide, or die. Wait, parang walang tunog yung game. Na-mute mo kasi tinry mong...
Hello? 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Let's freaking go! Ay, grabe.
Kinontinue mo? Sana sinart natin simula.
Pero okay na. Department of Agriculture, Salazar, changing weather patterns. Readers to attend this weekend seminar. Ay, nawala. Ay, may audio naman to.
To attend this weekend seminar on Beulah Avenue in Pueblo.
Wala namin.
And if you're out late tonight, you may see some low-flying helicopters near Silverthorne and Leadville.
Speed run.
Seems the Arapaho Park Services will be spraying for an infestation.
Next, Resident Evil.
Go. Illegal activity at Murkoff Psychiatric Systems. You don't only have to make this quick, they might be monitoring. Okay. Doctors, about doctors. Dream therapy. Webcam. Okay. So, yung kailangan kong i-ano yung battery, i-save. Okay, baba mo na. Hindi ba? Oh. What did I press? Okay, labas ka na, boy. Oh. Hello? Tangkad mo naman ay buksan. Oh! Buksan.
Ba, hindi na-open kung anong ticket mo. May hindi ba?
Okay.
Documents, hindi nakuha?
Oopsie.
Ewan ko kung nakakuha dyan na.
Sarap na yan.
Ano ulit yung
Kung
control?
hindi ko makuha, edi wala na. Hindi ko alam eh.
Nakaturo niya lang sa'yo.
Oopsie. Click. Wala. Takbo.
Oh my god, slow down!
To open the door quickly, open the door here, you hold down.
Come further, okay. Don't have much time. Napapagod ba to?
Wala ka nakakatakot talaga
Wala
kapag
namang stop.
tinuturuan ka na kung paano tumakbo.
Break the goddamn door. Break the window. Ay, sorry.
Gosh,
Ano?
darn it.
Ding 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 ding. Luwag. Ano yun? Wait ka ba? Maybe this will do it. No? Doon?
Yan.
Oh.
Hindi pala. Nilalak ng ko yung boss ko. Sige, try mo muna yung pinto. Kahit hindi ka dyan dadaan talaga. Mali mo. May cutscene. Oh. She's not scared!
We become cordial after being zoom in and out. No. No, thank you.
I think you need to zoom in and out.
Where? Jump over that.
Oh.
Climb up. Yes, I know, girl. Grabe ang sound, ano niya. Okay. Doctor, I think you're... Press F when your camera is ready. Yep. Will the night vision use battery life managed well? Hindi na ako magkakano. Oh? Ay, hindi. Bakit to? Oh. Press that back. Ay, kailangan long press. Hindi siya
Hindi mo
mag-sustain na
in-explore mo
naka-crouch.
na yung kwarto, baka may gamit.
Ay, sige na lang nga. Tinatamad ako eh. I don't think there's something here.
Why will... Wow, hindi ko kaya magtagal.
Magtagal.
Nasto ka na ako.
Ha?
Feeling ko
Hindi
kasi
ka tumingin.
ang galing mo rin maglaro.
Wala na yun. Ano lang? Ha? Ano ka?
Gumalaw ba? Wala.
Hindi ko lang. Hindi siya mukhang...
Check the table, check the table.
Ha?
Nag-on natin yung TV. Ew, bakit natawa ko nun?
You're just insecure, girl.
Oh. Okay, get out! Get out!
Maureen. Maureen, Hamza.
Ano sa likod, my gosh?
Girl, I don't care anymore.
Ayan.
Documents.
Documents. Nice. Oh,
Go.
battery.
Batteries are used. Okay.
No documents.
Okay, yan lang ha. Bye-bye. Blood.
824.
214.
Document.
Later. Click. Okay. Kailangan
Click
ilaw
na.
siya. Collect the documents.
Patient. 819. Male.
Patient brings up progress without medical messaging states for Janet. Engine. Activity observed. Spirometry.
Sige.
J ba yung pinindot mo? Tab. Ano kapag
J.
tab?
Objective notes.
Okay ba?
Footsteps.
Gala ko mo mind.
CR. I need a cola.
Close the door!
Lock it. Lock.
Ayaw mo i-try buksan yung nagsirang pinto.
No.
Mamaya, hindi ka na
Ew!
mag-up.
May punta
Oh,
dyan. To reach the air vents. Wala pa tayong save. Hindi release. Paano magsa-save? Kailangan, ano ba to? May parang pupunta
Ayaw
ka.
mo exit. Baka may
Exit.
save and exit lang. Don't exit. Oh my god.
Para lang mag-save. Boy! Saving. Ay, ganun siya. Shit. Okay, ganun lang yun.
Camera. F.
May nahulog na. Sorry. Is this document? Ang lakas ng...
Up down.
Oh,
Up down.
grabe ang sound nyo ha. Very good. Okay. Girl. Wala akong tutungan sa'yo. Okay, tingin ko may ano na.
Baka may battery po nga siya.
Di ba parang may nagpa-flash yung item na pwede kunin. Hindi na magtatago. Alam niya na nandito ako. Bahala na. Mama mo. Ay, buhay pa siya.
Killed us. You got out.
Okay.
The variants. You can't fight them. You have to hide. Unlock the main doors.
May na? Sabihin na sinasama lang. Okay.
You have to get the fuck out of this terrible place.
Go back, go back.
Ano go back?
Hindi,
Seryoso?
joke lang, hindi.
Tulungan mo ko ah. As in parang, sige na mag-spoil ka na.
Hindi, diretso lang.
Battery.
Kasi kung sinabi ka na lumabas, bakit hindi ka lumabas dun sa ano, kung saan ka pumasok? Ay, kasi may makawal sa'yo.
I don't know. I don't know. Shit! Alam mo nang nandito ka! Ang lakas mo magsarado ng pinto! Anong gagawin ko?
Hindi ko alam kung pa rin lumabas. Wala kang magagawa. Kung mamatay ka, mamatay ka.
It is what it is.
Pwede kang mag-lean ha. May ganun, di ba?
Very helpful, girl. Very helpful.
Takbo ka na dyan sa gap. Bilis.
Little pig.
Yeah, babagay.
And who are you then? I see. Merciful God, you have sent me an apostle.
Free?
Guard your life, son. You have a calling.
Lumabas ka na ha.
Proclaim the gospel.
Dito ah.
Tanan mo yan, di na ko yan.
Oh, second document.
Seizure, matter of seizure of...
Disruptive security failure of psychiatrists.
Grabe, ang daming words. Affidavit.
Give it a right to grant them access full access to all facilities and surrender complete authority.
Okay. Sige.
Baka may nasaan. Wow! Pindot ako ng pindot.
Wow.
Wala akong battery. Or parang automatic. Oh. Wow! Speaking of.
Or yung reload.
Parang hindi, ha?
Or reload.
Ay? Or dapat ba nireload ko nung wala?
Nung wala na ata.
Sige mo lang sa natin.
Gusto ka na ako?
Siyempre.
Okay, hindi ko kasi
Parang hindi ko na kailangang basahin kasi hindi ko pa rin talaga maintindihan kahit basahin ko. Self-inflicted mutilations. Enormous size. Alin? Altered to accommodates enormous what? Extend dermal eruption.
So, malaki siya, ang tao.
Skin ripped from his forehead allows for a truer way of seeing. Boy with experience in Tuatara, lizards.
Alam ko yung mga documents. Pag binabasa mo ata. Ako?
Damn.
Shit. Ay, ayun yun.
Ay,
Huwag ka mag-read. Bakit?
wala akong space pang peak. Tapos, biglang napindot ko yung R. Then, nireload niya yung full bat ko. Bob. Okay, will share. Ang hirap pag-peak. Titingin na lang ako. Bahala na. Okay. Kaya mag-peak to. Okay, gumagalaw. Hindi ba natin...
Hindi ko naalala kung ano. Kung mali ka naman na pinuntahan, naanayin ka ng game.
Paglagpas ko nito, gagalaw na siya. Okay.
Gulat mo siya.
Gulatin mo na siya. Para siyang unang mamatay.
Boo! Boo! Sabihin ko, push! Dapat. Push! Sabi ko, boo! Kasi
Wala, kailangan kong dumaan.
Doon ka sa maluwag!
Hello? Gulatin mo na ako.
Hey!
Oh, sorry.
Screenshot please, wait lang.
Ha?
Sige, wait
Hahabulin
lang.
mo ko, no?
Pagandahan. Hindi, huwag ka mag-control
Kasi
kasi...
ano, thumbnail ba?
Oh, wag ka, hindi. Huwag ka ano ba yun? Hindi ba mawag? Gandahan mo lang yung angle, please. Pero wala. Okay.
Tapos mag-thumbnail tayo.
Ah, tingnan mo, magre-reload ka.
Girl, we are losing this game. Ay, wala na. Nakita na ko noon.
Naisa you.
Hello? Hi. Shit.
Alam ko dapat may note. Walang notes na to, no?
Okay. My bad. Ay, Diyos ko naman, grabe ka. Parang hindi na sa horror game.
That's his life. This is not a game. This is not...
Ganun lang. Wait, hard.
Sayang.
Okay, hahabulin na ako kasi may keycard na ako. Collected objects are updated in your app. Inventory the keycard for security control. Ganyan na yun. Sige. Okay, babalik na ako doon. Tapos makikita niya yung keycard ko. Tapos aanin na ako. Ah, nandyan na siya sa pinto. Boom. Wala. Or keycard ba to?
Kailangan bumalik kung saan.
Talan?
Ano?
Boy, kaya ko yung talonin eh.
Try mo ganda.
Hello?
Nila. Huwag mo lampasan. Huwag mo lampasan.
Totoo. Hello? Ayaw niya eh.
Please.
Oh shit, buhay ka pa. Hello? Hello? Oh, magagalit ka. Yun yung ano. Eye to forehead.
Oh,
Drag ko TV nyo. Oh, shit na. Mag yung drag race.
Tara mo pinto.
Habulin mo na ako, habulin. Uy, na nga. Pag kita mo pa. Pindot ka. Tatamaan kita. Uy! Tatamaan kita. Alam mo lang, tatamaan kita. Apak. Patay.
Si Angko.
Say
I
uncle.
can't.
Say uncle.
Uncle, what?
Bahala kang meron na lang. I don't care. I just need to get out. Wala na ba, no? Tagal mo. Okay, ito yung sunod. So what? Note that you can look behind by holding Q or E while running. Gago! Security room. Hindi, yan nandiyan talaga. Sige. Whatever. Ay, tagal mo naman mag...
Close the door, bitch!
Walang door. Oh my god. Ewan po.
Hey.
Shit. Witness. Grabe, lumabas ka na lang. Ilan hours daw matatapos to?
5.
Ha? Ha?
5.
Ha? Hindi. Sinara niya yung ano ko, pinto ko.
Baka pwede kang umakyat. Wala.
Ba't mo ko sinaraduhan, ha? Mga sinaraduhan ha. Security, security. Hacking. Tagal. Start the generator in the basement.
Diyan ako tumingin.
I didn't look for the fruit.
Ang saya kung laruin nila to, no?
I'll find out later.
Hindi man ako kalalabas. Hindi ko alala kailan last save.
Dapat ito lumabas na ako kanina kasi sobrang tagal na parang dapat magstay na uli ako. Shit. Walang titingin, walang titingin. Babasa mo na ako. Hypnotic homicide.
Material bridge, a post not pick open the night before. Find a finger you receive. Listen after. Immediately progress. Leave hypnotic state with no further suggestion. Inside the back door, goddamn. The letter includes King firing the unloaded gun at Knoxon and then proceeding to call included C. Only purpose suggestion.
Girl, alam, hindi na daw nawakan. Oh, battery. So vault, press spacebar while moving towards wasteland. Vault again.
Who's there?
Oh, that's me. So ba yung sewers? Ano sinasabi mo?
Pero naalala ko na kung saan ako tumigil, hindi dyan. May umahabol sa akin. Kasi hindi ko nakaya. Pero may hahabol sa'yo dyan.
Turn on the 2 gas pumps and the main breaker to restart the generator. Turn on the 2 gas pumps. Turn on the 2 gas pumps. Nasaan yung 2 gas pumps?
Lakad ka, ikot. Kailangan natin. May mga kwarto ata dyan sa harap. Right. Open the door. No pump it up. You don't pump it up. No pump it up.
Go run, girl. Go run, girl. Go run, girl. Sarado mo muna. Go, press that bitch. Okay, reload mo. Oo, takbo ka! Saan ba yun? Uy! Uy! Hindi ba? Hindi ba? Sorry.
Kailangan ko kagaw!
No. I don't think I can. Natakbo na lang. Girl, where are we going? Where are we going? Takbo. Uy, dala na ko. Sorry.
Alam ko kung saan na natataguan. As in, kung saan ka nang galing.
Ay, sorry. Ay, okay. Oh. Wow. O nga, no? Kaya ako tumagot, hindi ako tumagot. Wow. Basa na ata yung keyboard. Isa na lang. Kwenta na kuha ba? Yun natin. My heart. Sana ikaw na to. Sana ikaw na to. Oh. Tapos, babalik na ako sa main room. Or tago ako. Saan ko na? Hindi ko napansin na nandun na siya. Oopsie. Ano to? Uy, dadaan ako. Sorry. My bad. Ito na ba yun? Ano to? Check. Girl, kaya mo yan. Mama! Sigawan sa tayo ako. No! Nako! Oh my God! Locker. Ikaw lang. Mama! Oh, bumalik lang. Locker. Walang locker. I guess I'll kill my... Basang-basa na yung ano ko. Okay, ikot-ikot lang nandun sa maintindihan ko kung saan ako pupunta. Ito ata, pinito dito. Sakit ng finger ko. Oh my God. Ito, alala ko. May butas dito. Hindi! Mali! Excuse me! Wala ba butas sa left? Baka sa kabila. Hindi eh. Ikaw tayo. Mama!
Mama, a girl behind you.
Ikot lang. Si Joey, mag-isip ka, iikot ako.
Yeah, balik ka doon.
Ha? Hindi, Mama! Okay? Mahal! Uy, wag kang mag-control. Ang sakit ng finger ko. Door to, ano yan? Ay! Mamatay na ako, shit.
Wala ba doon?
Hindi ko alam. Huwag kang pumasok. Wait lang. Wala. Sakit na ng ulo ko. Hindi ko na alam.
Wait, saan ka punta?
Hindi ko alam.
Right.
Iikot ako, tapos tutulong ako. Wow, naiiwasan ko pa siya.
Ako pa kaya agad. Hindi ba doon tama?
Good po ito, di ba? Pero parang hindi eh. Wala na.
Ha?
Hindi nga po pinasa.
Wala ko kaya tandaan.
My bad. Hindi na talaga alam ko nang doon.
Wala doon. Eh, dito ka. Sige, sige.
Sige, tatry natin. Okay, baka ito.
Fucking good. Wow.
Ito, parang ito ulit. Tigol na naman. Pintuan na naman na hindi tama. Ay, naku, tigol na tama. Ay, hindi ito.
Sila mo!
Galing mo na, hindi ka pa Papakamatay na ako.
Okay mo tayo.
Patayin mo na ako. Sige. So, hindi ko pa nagawa. Hindi, nagawa ka na. Bakit ganyan? May ilaw na, oh. Ano yan? Okay, thank you. Hindi na yan. What I do? Pero hinahabol ako. Oh.
Galing yan. Kasi,
Diba? So,
Oh,
yun. Kailangan nasa harap ko yung ano.
mag-left ka. Okay? Talaga.
Grabe, sana nagpakamatay na ako
Diyan sa
kanina pa
right.
kung ganito naman bigla yung...
Hindi mo
Diba?
mabuksan.
Dapat may ano dito, may boot.
Eh, Diyos me!
May boot. Wala siyang butas kanina.
Meron yun.
Save. Sana nagpakamatay ako. Whatever.
Shit, tira yung pinto.
Adrenaline.
I'm sorry, my son. I didn't want to have to do this to you. But you can't leave. Not yet.
Oh.
There is so much yet for you to
Oh.
witness.
Ew.
Will you see it? Can you? Our
Help
Lord,
me.
the Wall Rider,
Ano yan?
tearing his truth into the
yan?
unbelievers.
No replay.
The only way out of this place is the truth. Accept the gospel, and all doors will open before you.
Shot. Okay, go back. Go. Play back, collect. Rest in peace. He did not kill his enemies. Remember that notes are only at the journal book when your camcorder is released.
Ano na?
Nagkakaroon lang ng notes kapag nire-record mo. Ow. Father Martin! Father Hamza! Father Martin brought me here to show me something. Thinks I'm going to be a witness for whatever batch of crazy he's trying to tell me. This Dr. Wernick is at the center of whatever went wrong here, but he died more than 10 years ago. Rest in peace, the blood everywhere. Get me to Father Hamza. Hello. Sino ka? Are you father? Nabulong kita, boy. Ay, nandun ka na agad.
Get the fuck away from me!
Don't you look at me.
Look at me! Be back, no more sleep.
Ay, marirecord mo. Parang kaya pa eh. Hello. Oh, huh? Okay, thank you. Sarado.
Who's this?
Maybe Father Martin's man.
Maybe.
He looks nervous,
I would like to kill him.
as would I.
The preacher asked us not to.
Labas ko tutoy.
It would be
Iso-censor
impolite.
yun.
Not here.
We give him a running start,
There's an idea.
Hey.
and when we kill him, we kill him slow.
Such patience.
I want his tongue and liver.
They are yours.
Okay, boys.
You look like you've seen a ghost.
Ugh. Too many voices. Ang tao ba? Hello? What the hell? Huh? Who is you? Oh? Ano ba? Sorry, I don't know. I don't know. Lang ka. Whoa, whoa. Oh shit.
They're in my blood and they want to get out.
Okay, may door pa doon.
But I saved some for you. Just wait.
Hindi ako nakatagal dyan. Ang bilis mo, 1 hour pa lang.
Oops.
Ikaw ka naman, pupunta doon.
Dito niya. Oh. Oh, nag-save. 10 minutes. Follow the blood trail. Okay, yun pala. Seryoso ba yan? Nandito yung okay. Oh! Nice. Father Martin fingerprinter.
Dr. Zeitner gave me your info. My patient, Martin Archimbo, has made enormous strides in therapy and convalescence. Just in this week, the week since canceling the arts program, his self-affected assertions of some higher calling have accelerated enormously. Please just let the man fingerprint. The fever is receiving on everything is more than swallowed by the cost of colonoscopy. Can't imagine the logic of failure and make my consultations become more disengaged.
Reality. So, hindi ko naman si Father Martin, di ba? So ba yun? Kasi closing doors behind you will slow your pursuit. Oh, kung ito dapat puntahan. Yung maghahabol sa kanditan. Or nagbaliktad. I don't.
They weren't experiments. They were rituals. A conjuring.
Oh, ito lang yun. Hindi, babalik ako dun. Okay. Ay, Diyos ko, mali. Oh, fuck.
Shut up! Let me think for a minute! Quiet! Quiet!
Diyan yung habol sa'yo. Panoorin mo yan.
Kita mo ka?
I'd like you to stay quiet.
Okay, ganun lang. Ang kaya. Oh, matagal ka. Kaya matagal, mali, dapat tumaga ko.
Okay, close your plan. Close your plan. Locker.
Very good. Hindi naman ako eh. Kailangan pa rin talaga itong lapitan. Grabe. Ay, Diyos
Get
ko.
back!
Ay, get back lang. Hindi mo hakat.
I'd like you to stay quiet.
Tingin ko sa taas. Alam ko meron dyan daan pa ako.
Okay. Hindi ko na... Alam ko talaga puntahan yung ano, kwarto kung saan ako tinatryabulin. Wala akong weapon, grabe. Doon talaga. Ay, saan siya pumunta? Nawala niya na ako. Ay? Okay. Tama ba yan? O dapat tumakbo na ako? Oh, no. May shadow na. He knows I'm here. Alam niya, magli-locker siya. Sineck niyo ba yung kabilang locker? Kapag sinecheck niyo yung kabilang locker, dapat lumabas na ako, pero wala na. Oh. Okay, titigalan lang natin dito na sa locker. Dito na lang tayo titigil, guys. Wow! Ano yan? Ayun. This has been Trixie Mattel. At nasusukang Mix Chanel. Bye-bye!